Hiwalay na si Kris Aquino at ang jowa niyang doktor. Ito ay ayon sa latest Instagram post mismo ng Queen of All Media na isinapubliko ngayong araw, March 16. The doctor I loved left me because he wanted the freedom to travel, to break free from needing to care for, and the reality of Kris Aquino who had multiplying autoimmune diseases with so few treatment options. Enough time has passed. He did not love me, say ni Kris. Ang nakakalokang revelasyon pa ng dating TV host, binabayaran niya ang tamang professional fees nito kahit sila ay magjowa. Pagbubunyag niya, the truth, in his words, iniwan kita dahil mahirap kang mahalin, sobrang sikip ng paligid. My prayer is that he will now stop trash talking and cursing my best friends and doctors who are still doing all they can to improve my quality of life, proving everyday genuine love, compassion and loyalty. Kasunod niyan ay ang kanyang health update na kung saan ay sumailalim siya sa ultrasound at tinurukan ng steroids sa tuhod. I cannot walk, each step is agony. The excruciating pain is from my knees all the way to my feet, a combination of deep bone pains, lupus arthritis, polymyositis, and acute fibromyalgia, ang caption niya. Ayon sa kanya, pinili niyang i-share ang current reality niya, upang makapagbigay pag-asa. When you are unconditionally loved, when like me you are blessed with a son, who will do all to lessen his mama's physical and emotional suffering, hindi ka susuko. Tinitiis ko yung matinding sakit na parte na ng bawat araw ko, dahil ang pagmamahal ng anak ay walang katumbas. Patuloy ni Kris, life is difficult for all of us, but faith in God and real love proven by action, gives all the needed willpower to persevere. Thank you God. Thank you to all for your continued prayers for my healing, and to my Northern Star Beam, for being much more than your mama deserves, mensahe ni Kris. Aniya pa, tuloy ang laban.